Now that we've seen what lessons can do, we can make some decisions on what settings we'd like to modify for the lesson. To start editing the lesson, click on the Edit button next to the lesson name and then click on Edit Settings. Let's start from the top. Under Appearance, we can enable or disable the progress bar. We can also enable or disable the lesson menu or the table of contents. Under Show More, we can add in additional files that are relevant to the lesson. We'll leave these settings at default. Remember, if you ever want to know what a certain setting does, you can click on the Help icon to get some information about the setting. Under Availability, we can set the lesson start and end date and a time limit for the lesson. And we can also password protect the lesson. Under Flow Control, we'll allow students to review the lesson, and we'll also let them retry a question. Here we can also set the maximum number of retry attempts. Under Grade, we have all the options to set how we want students to be graded on this particular activity. We'll learn more about grades when we take a look at how to add quizzes to our course. We'll leave the remaining settings at default, and then we'll click Save and Display to view our lesson. While creating your lesson, feel free to modify any of the other settings that we didn't go through in this video. And a quick tip to make it easier for you to create lessons is to have your lesson plan worked out before you start creating your lesson.